So gorgeous Porsche 992 Turbo S in GT Silver Metallic, and first is the around 1,500 euro carbon housing for the mirrors. Looks stunning. And we have the Porsche exclusive exhaust and exclusive rear lights in with matching, complements the GT Silver very nicely when they're off. And this was actually a great color. It matches the rear light as nice as crayon. Yellow calipers, of course. License plate is on, but you can always replace that with a sticker. And since it's a 992 Turbo S, we have yellow calipers, of course, and GT Silver is very deep. I think I would probably take this instead of crayon. Absolutely gorgeous. Complements the rear lights very good, matching perfectly. Tinted rear windows and no model designation either, which is quite interesting. I prefer without model designation actually, because they kind of change the design of the turbo logo, as you can see here. Or no, this is the classic logo. Oh, strange. But yeah, I kind of prefer the previous generation of logo. This squarish I'm not kind of used to. Might have taken without tinted windows. This goes out. See how it looks. Yeah, we have to get the key for the lights. Very tasteful interior. Oh, I forgot. Black seat belts, not yellow seat belts. And this is really attention to detail. I mean, seats, complete carbon, everything carbon. And the arm is black, but still it's really good. On the other hand, gentian blue was really stunning with the golden wheels. And but the carbon housing, that's really a must on the 992 Turbo. They are spectacular looking. I would like to have the intake housing like the intake part in carbon as well, this part. But I guess it's not available yet. But so maybe no tinted windows and a sticker as a front license plate. Quite discreet interior. I mean, not even the dials are in a different color. So we're gonna do a video of it with ignition on as well. Very sober interior. So it could have been some more fun options, but even the dials are black. But still, I mean, exterior is super on point. Exclusive taillights, exclusive exhaust, and it's actually available at Porsche Center Stockholm, just outside Stockholm, Segeltorp. And of course you have yellow calipers because it's a Turbo S, it's stock. And you have an electric car next to it, Taycan, which is proven slower